Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Toyota Sienna versus the Lexus TX. We'll explore their core differences, helping you decide which vehicle best suits your needs. The Sienna, a hybrid minivan, prioritizes practicality and fuel efficiency for families. In contrast, the Lexus TX is a luxury three-row SUV, focusing on refined comfort and advanced features. Understanding these distinctions is crucial for making an informed choice, so let's dive into the specifics of each model. When it comes to performance and efficiency, these vehicles offer different philosophies. The Toyota Sienna comes exclusively with a hybrid powertrain, delivering impressive fuel economy, often around 36 combined miles per gallon. This makes it a strong contender for daily commutes and long trips where efficiency is key. The Lexus TX, however, provides a range of engine options, including robust hybrid configurations, balancing power with respectable fuel efficiency for a luxury SUV. Your driving priorities will heavily influence which powertrain is more appealing. Inside, the experience diverges significantly. The Toyota Sienna excels in family-friendly practicality, featuring convenient power sliding doors, flexible seating, and generous cargo space, making everyday life easier. The Lexus TX, on the other hand, elevates the interior with luxurious materials, sophisticated design, and cutting-edge technology, providing a more premium and refined atmosphere. While both offer modern infotainment and comprehensive safety suites, the TX emphasizes a higher level of comfort and advanced amenities for its occupants. Finally, let's consider value and price. The Toyota Sienna generally has a more accessible starting price, providing exceptional value for families seeking reliability and efficiency without the luxury premium. The Lexus TX, as a luxury SUV, naturally comes with a higher price tag, justified by its upscale features, advanced engineering, and premium brand experience. Your budget and desire for luxury versus pure utility will guide your decision. Check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, as well as other great deals we've found for you. Ultimately, both are excellent vehicles, but cater to distinct needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.